10 years in Infosys doing some technology work and various clients in US, and decided no, I want to do something different, and that's why started this. So why Homeby 360? We are here to basically try to solve some of your problems. I know you have a lot of problems which we can never solve. We have big problems which we can never dream to solve. But at least now, at least with technology, we can take care of some of them, and which is what is Homeby is all about. I will try to kind of very quickly run through the small presentation which I have prepared for this event specifically. We do have, and hopefully it will make sense to you a lot when you go through all the details. So with that, I'll move. So what are the problems you are facing? I know there are a lot of them, but I will just try to kind of highlight a few, very few of them. And I'll start with like your managers quit, there are leads there, and you have lost the information, diaries, someone called in sick, you don't know who will take them to site visit, some buyer is there, it's a premium buyer, you don't know if the follow-up are properly happening. If you want to right away in a minute, you want to get some information about all your buyers, it's very difficult to collect. You have to ask your account team, they will ask for 2 days time and all that, right? You invest a lot of money on those hoardings and you get calls, but you don't know how many calls actually you got because you are missing them. You know for sure your salespeople are not calling, but they are telling me, I called the customer, he did not pick up. You don't know how to handle that, how to track that. You want to do something very quickly. You want to tell all your buyers something which has happened. You probably don't have a system, or you do. Your buyers are calling you, asking for more information. You are sure everything is all right, but you are finding it difficult to explain him. Right? You are paying a lot of money on your hoardings. So many things, right? So many things. You want to find out how your sales pattern are. Engineering is kind of very much worried. There are so many customization requests. They don't know which buyers had those kind of issues. You don't know how the trainings are going. If the new sales guys are kind of tuned up to do the way you want to sell, are they actually able to give your brand name properly the way you want to give them? And buyers are always annoying, right? I'm a buyer. I have been annoying. So I just own the budget when I bought, and I will say why I'm not getting this, why I'm not getting that, and all that. So there are many issues. I was just trying to kind of keep it very on ground level, and trying to tell you we can help. Homeby is one software which can help and bring some relief to you. From first call to your buyer, which through a hoarding or any channel you have, right, till he settles into his house, right. We have it all. We have it covered, entire communication with buyer, with various stakeholders of your project, brokers, by your service providers, your DSAs and whatnot. So I'll just spend a minute on this slide. I want to kind of let you know the kind of functions on a very high level. We have an integrated telephony solution which will basically have all your calls tracked, right? And you will be able to hear recordings, you will be able to see what is the ROI of your one of the hoardings and all that. We have broker management module to be able to help you with leads which are coming from brokers, commission management. We have entire contact and lead nurturing system. We have campaign management. We have booking documentation, monthly documentation generation with a buyer logging, so buyer can see all this information right in their home. Whenever you want to inform buyer about something, it's so easy now. Invoicing, collection, milestone management, construction management from this perspective. We have customization and we have a vendor connect where you can have your buyers can see the value of your service providers. The service provider, when they're moving in, they can connect to them. They can basically get things done faster. We have a Facebook Connect for buyer, Facebook being a buzzword nowadays. We have reports and dashboards, analytics at every stage which helps you track the things, and reminders for employees so that they don't miss the site visits, they don't miss the important issues and whatnot. So basically, we are even though it's difficult to brand ourselves separately because the community is being always talking about only CRMs and ERPs, right? We are certainly not a ERP. We don't do construction management, but we are little more than a CRM. We are basically somewhere in middle. We provide you a lot of value than just a CRM. Okay, so I think probably I was able to put forth a point saying you need a software, something like HomeBuy, but why only HomeBuy? Because we have certainly a great team and support product and more, right? What is that more? So we are built like that. Our core team is passionate about real estate. That is what drives us. We are continuously innovating and thinking what else we can do. We are not stopping. Our product is, even though our product is mature, we are able to get good traction. We are still adding value to product. We are adding more and more features which are really useful. We know being our background being IT, we know value of customer service. We know unless our customers are happy, we cannot grow. And like it or not like, even if I don't like it, I have an Infosys value system in Bivin to me. I mean, I spent my fresh days out of college and 11 years post that in that company, right? We have a little bit of vision thing. I mean, I'm trying to depict here. We are able to try to connect all these stakeholders on one platform, which is a cloud-based internet platform where your broker can log in, your own employees can log in, your buyers can log in, your service providers can log in, and we are very soon build the bankers, more than bankers, I would like to say direct selling agents can log in and kind of give you leads and can basically establish the connection, can do the communication which need to be done, right? And these are our key, value system. We believe, we are paranoid about the simplicity. We are not trying to make a very complex system. Having been in this industry for some time, what we have realized is there are many systems which are very, very complex to use, and even though they have a lot of features, finally your end user, which is your employee, finds it pretty difficult to use. So we have made sure simplicity is the core of our application. As I said, we service our client with a happy smile. We deliver almost every month. We deliver new features to our product to make sure it is up to date. It is giving value to our clients, and certainly we guarantee satisfaction. So far, I can guarantee satisfaction because I can see my current clients. I know they are all happy. So now I have that trust. I can guarantee that satisfaction. And you have more. This is a list of things which HomeBuy is one thing, but we also have HomeFind 360, which is more of a property search site. You are all free to log in and profile your properties. We also look for like-minded people. For example, for telephony, we have a kind of integrated with VMC Technologies where they provide the telephony solutions. We have also integrated build a partnership with BrandNiti for your marketing needs. And more. There are even more. I cannot call them as service lines, but we are helping few of our clients with transaction advisory services and whatnot. But they are not our service lines. They are more of need basis kind of thing. Is it worth? Yeah, I think it is worth. Anything which brings smile to people's faces is worth. And HomeBuy does bring some smile to your stakeholders, employees, your buyers, your brokers, and all. So it is worth. On top of it, it has some real worth related to which is the kind of increasing your sales, improving your cash flows, reducing your cost, and on top of it, your customer will be happy. A happy customer is worth a lot. We have given a lot more details about how does do all these things in the brochure. Probably you should have a look on that. So why trust us? Probably it's just a marketing message, right? I'm here, I'm a sponsor, so I certainly want to say good thing about us. So because I think we have proved our worth in the last few years, and we have some stories which we can share. We have a good list of clients. We have around 5 cities now we have covered, Bangalore, Pune, Bombay, Chennai and Hyderabad. And we have around 25 plus clients now, and many more to come, many more in very, very advanced stages to close. We recently closed couple of big names in Pune, right? So Pune seems to be a very exciting market for us. Some users are now also who are happy with us. They are ready to add values. We have some. I will not go through these, but I will just kind of pause on these sentences for a minute. But they can kind of sums up what kind of value we are able to give, and they also sums up what is my satisfaction out of this product, because this is what gives me a kick every day. I mean, when I get a happy user telling me, okay, this is something good you've done, I am really happy about it. So, I mean, some buyers sending some notes, good notes to us. I think everyone knows Kolte Patil. Bangalore, Vaswani projects in Bangalore, Sierra Constructions. And we have been fairly covered by media. I mean, some big houses, some small guys, but big name like Economics Times, Grant Thornton, they have covered us. They have told some new things we are bringing in market, and they have appreciated our fund. So we're pretty excited about it. So that's all. I have kept it very, very small, very quick. What we want to tell you is thank you for providing this opportunity. Do try us out. Call us for demo, call us for trial logins, and you can yourself check it out, whether it's worth for you or not. And do spread the word. If people ask something like this you need, do spread the word. And it is open for questions. That's it. I will not get you guys bored about phones. So I'm open for questions now. Cool. So as I said, we have given brochures. My colleague Guru is here. Ajay is here. They are happy to talk to you one-on-one, try to kind of connect with you and answer your questions. Our brochure has a lot of details about the product, and we'll be happy to hear from you. And I really think that it will work out do a great job for your company. Thank you so much.